The materials that we will use are the yarn. This yarn is very thin and not heavy. It's called rayon yarn. And the crochet hook 3.5 millimeters. And this is the yarn for the sample that I will show in the video. Before you begin, create a slip knot. And we will crochet chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join the round A slip stitch. There you go. And then start round 1 chain 4. And we will plus 1 chain, so total is 5. Yarn over twice and we crochet treble crochet. So we will insert in the middle of the ring. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops and the 2 loops left. There you go. Chain 1 and then crochet treble crochet. Insert into the ring. We will keep repeating this for tens. The total will be 12. And now we join at the 4th chain for a slip stitch. Then the round 2, chain 4 plus 3, so it's chain 7. And then crochet treble crochet in the same treble crochet. There you go. Chain 1, 2, 3, and then treble crochet in the same treble crochet below. Keep repeating this process until at the end of the round. Now it's time to join at the 4th chain, a slip stitch. The round 2 finished, and then the round 3, chain 4 plus 5, total is 9. So each round we will plus 2. So the round before chain 3, but this one we will crochet chain 5. And the same process we crochet treble crochet in the same treble crochet. Keep continuing until the end. And now it's time to join the round at the 4th chain, a slip stitch. Now we need to check if the size fit to your hands. This one is fit for my hand, and then I will crochet the next round, the round 4. The round 4 I will add the thumb hole, which is to be bigger. So I crochet and leave 3 spaces. 1 space will be for the thumb. For the round 4, we will crochet chain 4 and then plus chain 7. And then we crochet treble crochet in the same treble crochet. So we will keep repeating the process until before the thumb hole. Now I reach the thumb area. This one I will add double, so double of 7 will be chain 14. Or depend on your desired length. And then crochet, treble crochet. And then for the next 2 spaces, I will crochet chain 7 and then treble crochet as usual. Now you can see the thumb area. And here we need to join the round, so a slip stitch at the 4th chain. Now we have the thumb hole already, then you can try it on to see if it's fit for your hands or if it's too tight or too loose. And check if it's comfortable or not. After you're okay with the size, then we will crochet the wrist. For the wrist, we can mark, so we make sure we do the right position. We will start the new row. For the new row, we chain 4 and then plus chain 7. And also the same, and then we will crochet treble crochet in the same treble crochet. Chain 7. And then treble crochet. There you go. This creates the first round, and the next round, the round 2 and the round 3 repeat from the round 1. So here I get 3 rows already, and then I will make the side and then have the button. We will make the side for left and right. They are the same process, but just the end we need to make the hole for the button. This one we will crochet chain 6 and then crochet double crochet. Next, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. The row 1 and the row 2. For the row 2, chain 5 and then double crochet. For this one, we will decrease each row. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. And remember, we insert at the 3rd chain. The row 3, we crochet chain 4 and then double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and then double crochet. So we will crochet in the 3rd chain. And then the next row will be the last one. chain 2, and then we will decrease all together, so 3 double crochets together. 1, 2, 3, then all together. So this one we chain 1, cut the yarn off and finish. For another side, we keep repeating the same process, but at the end we will make the hole. So get the new yarn and then make a slip knot at the 4th chain. And repeat the same process as the other side. So at the other side, after you finish, then we will make the hole. So chain 5 and then a slip stitch, and then cut the yarn off, weave in all ends.